In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to change device's name. To do this, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to System, scroll all the way down to About section, and here in the About section, next to your laptop's name, choose Rename this PC option. Now, create a new name for your device without using spacebar. For example, then click Next, and for changes to be applied, you'll have to restart your laptop by clicking Restart Now, and then wait until your laptop reboots. And when the laptop is restarted, we can go to the same section, Start, Settings, System, About, and check the current device name. And as you can see, it was successfully changed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.